Hello, everyone. Mike here. And today, on this episode, we're going to discover how AI can help explain pros and cons clearly. This is especially helpful when you're trying to make decisions and things feel a little overwhelming. At this stage of life, decisions often matter more. Medical choices, financial choices, housing, technology, and sometimes the hardest part is sorting through all the information. That's where AI can really help. Once again, I'm using ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is a tool where you type a question into a box and get written responses back. Think of it as a calm thinking partner that helps you slow things down. Let me show you a real example. As you can see here, I'm opening ChatGPT. I click in the text box, and now I am going to type a simple question. Here's exactly what I type. Can you explain the pros and cons of buying a new smartphone versus keeping my current one? As you can see here, ChatGPT responds by breaking things into two clear lists. Pros on one side here and cons on the other. Nothing fancy, it's just clear points that you can actually read. When I scroll down, you'll notice the language is simple and neutral. It's not telling me what to do, it's helping me think it through. Now, let's say some of this still feels unclear. I can ask a follow-up question. When I click here, I type, which of these pros and cons would matter most for someone on a fixed income? As you can see here, the response changes. Now the explanation is more personal. It highlights costs, battery life, and long-term value. This is where AI really helps. It adapts to your situation. Now, what I like about this is that it removes pressure. You don't have to hold everything in your head. You don't have to rush a decision. You can slow things down and ask, what actually matters to me? This works well for things like medical options, big purchases, housing decisions, or even deciding whether to try something new. You're not giving your decision making away, you're supporting it. AI isn't choosing for you, it's helping you see clearly. If there's one thing to remember from this episode, it's this. When a decision feels heavy, AI can help lay things out clearly. Pros, cons, no pressure, no judgment, just clarity. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. This is Fatherly AI, learning to use AI in the second half of life.